of the MSc individual project for software development. This is LearningSpot, a distance learning application built using Django. So today I'm just going to take you through the functionality of the web application and point out some interesting features and some of the underlying technology that's built those features. So when you first move to the login page of LearningSpot, you are able to log in using a pre-existing user, or you have the opportunity to sign up. So what I'll do is I'll just create a user to show the functionality working. The user inserts their username, they insert an email address, they insert a password, and some authentication is in place to ensure that the password is in fact entered correctly, as is shown like there. For today's demonstration, I'm going to use a pre-created user, which is called teacher, and the credentials for which are within the README file of the source code. So if I enter teacher and learning 123 exclamation mark, I am directed to the student page, and I will walk you through this, and then I will take you through the teacher page and then show some functionality between the two. So the student and the teacher page are very similar. There is the learning intention, the learning tasks, and the Miro board here, which is the integration of the live embed code as provided by Miro in a HTML iframe. We also have a similar approach here with PowerPoint, with live embed code provided and inserted into an iframe. I've used a familiar document to demonstrate. And in the center, most prominently, and I will add a point about the fact that my face is being displayed here, we have a teacher stream using the web SDK for Agora, the web conferencing software. Now, the reason why my face is there is because I'm using the same I/O on the same machine. However, in reality, what would happen is a teacher's stream would be projected towards the student view. So what I'll do now is I'll show some functionality between the student and the teacher pages. So if I direct to the teacher page by adjusting the URL, you'll see that I have the ability to create learning intentions and learning tasks. So let's go ahead and do that now. So I'll just put learning for that learning intention, and we can see it creates like so, and I'll put in task for this learning task, and we can see it creates like so. Now we have these numbers here. These numbers denote the responses from users within the system, and it's part of the object-oriented back end of LearningSpot and this functionality. When a user on the student side, as I will show now, clicks a response button in relation to one of these learning intentions, like so, then on the teacher side, this will come up as a 1, and it will increment all the way through for the number of users that click that button in relation to that learning intention. Effectively, when a teacher creates a learning intention, or indeed a learning task, as you can see here with this functionality, an object of learning task or learning intention is created. Then, when a student clicks one of the buttons in relation to one of those learning intentions or learning tasks, a many-to-many relationship is established, and an object is applied of type happy, unsure, or sad, or in progress, not started, need help, and complete to the respective learning intention or learning task. So if I just go ahead now and jump back into the teacher view, you'll be able to see what I was talking about with regards to the number. So we can see a 1 has come up there as I selected happy, and I'm the only user in the system, and another 1 has come up here to say that I need help. This is an interesting functionality, certainly from the user feedback that was conducted. It seems like a real groundbreaking movement within UK schools, because this is currently not in operation, and it's quite an embedded pedagogy within the UK school sector. There is some improvements that we would like to make to the platform. Obviously the Agora Web SDK integration needs some additional functionality in the form of buttons to allow for muting or participant joins, etc. Also, as you can see, the screen real estate is a little constricted at the moment, so it's very difficult to get student remote users on the screen. So that would potentially need to be adjusted. And in addition, it would be good to get an API set up for the PowerPoint and the Miro board to make it a little bit more dynamic, as well as being able to edit learning tasks and learning intentions. So thank you very much.